Welcome to the SolarEdge Learning Lab. This video will guide you through communication topology, as well as how to install a cellular modem in a Synergy inverter. On Synergy inverters, the connection unit houses a communications interface board in the lower left-hand corner. That communication board is used for RS-485 leader and follower connections, as well as LAN connection. There are two RS-485 connections on the connection unit communication board, RS-485 in and RS-485 out. RS-485 in is for the previous connected device, like a commercial gateway or another inverter. The RS-485 out is for the next device in the RS-485 bus. The main communication board is located in the primary unit of the Synergy inverter. While most of the communication connections are on the interface board in the connection unit, the primary communication board has a cellular connection point. For this installation, we are going to use a cellular connection. Before we begin, ensure the system is completely de-energized. Turn the inverter on-off P-switch to the off position. Allow the inverter to reach safe DC voltage, indicated by red LED light going away on the LED tube, or the voltage falling below 50 volts DC. Next, turn off the DC safety switch, and finally, ensure AC power is off. Line up the pins on the back of the cellular plug in with the connection points on the communication board and gently depress to secure the modem to the board. Run the antenna cable through the communication gland and then connect the antenna. To configure, connect to the inverter using SolarEdge Set App application. Once connected, select Monitoring Communication. By default, the inverter is configured for a LAN connection. To change, select Change Communication Type. Here you can select Auto Select or select from a list of options below. Select Cellular, select Done. After the inverter is connected to the SolarEdge monitoring portal, SOK will be displayed. Thanks for joining us today. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos.